Do you need information about today's market prices or alerts about possible floods or drought or protection and social services, but don't have a smartphone or access to the internet? Usheeg is here for you. Usheeg is a free mobile information service that you can access from any phone, whether it is GSM phone or a smartphone. Simply dial 3511 on Telesom or 567 on Hormuud and Somtel, or call free of charge +1 877 753 4567. You will receive verified information including from official government sources such as real-time market prices, food supplies, exchange rates, weather forecasts, drought and flood alerts, verified information about protection and social services, information 24/7, anywhere, anytime. No internet, no registration, no cost. Thousands of women, traders, and community members are already using Usheeg to strengthening their livelihoods and stay informed. Now it's your turn. Dial 3511 or 567 today and get the information you need anytime, anywhere.